Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making chicken noodle soup in the crock pot, and I've kind of already just put the chicken in. This is 5 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can cook chicken frozen in the crock pot, but you have to make sure you cook it on high. You don't want it to get to room temperature too slowly. I think that's why. Something about food poisoning, so just don't even risk it. Cook it on high. So I have it thrown in here. I'm going to cook it on high with everything else. And what I'm going to be adding is I already chopped up some carrots, and I diced some onions in my veggie chopper. I did the carrots by hand though, because they would have broke my blades. And then what I add that most people don't is some tomatoes. I just diced up some tomatoes. And it actually, I thought this was weird, but it actually adds really good flavor. And you're also going to need just some onion powder, some minced garlic, and then I'm also going to do some garlic salt. And for my chicken broth base, I'm using this chicken granulated bouillon. So I'm doing 4 cups, so I'm going to do 4 teaspoons of this. And then probably a little bit of pepper. So let's get started throwing everything in, because I'm going to rush. It's already 11 a.m. and I got to get this going. So first we're going to start off with seasonings, and I'm going to do a teaspoon of some onion powder, half a teaspoon of this garlic salt, because I think there is salt in this chicken bouillon base also. Let's do 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm sure you noticed I'm not using a crock pot liner. That is because when I make like liquidy stuff like soups and stuff, I really don't think I need one, because there's not much scrubbing because it's so liquidy. It's not sticking on to your crock pot and everything. Alright, so we got that. Now we're going to add our carrots and onions. And yes, I'm forgetting celery. I know. I didn't have any on hand, and I can always go to the store and grab some, I guess. I don't know. Tomatoes. I'm telling you have to try the tomatoes. It makes it very tasty. Half teaspoon of pepper. Seems like a good amount. Let's do a teaspoon of some basil. I wish I had some thyme. I really need to invest in some thyme seasoning. I keep telling myself that, and then I never do it. Alright. So now we need our water. That was the last of my water. I did 8 cups. I'm going to let this cook on high until my chicken is thawed out, and then I'm going to turn it to low. And it'll probably be done around 5:30. So it's been an hour. I had this going for 6 hours. It's been an hour, and I changed it to low since the chicken is thawed out now. So I'm going to have it going low for the next 5 hours. Alright, take this lid off. It was set to warm. I was stirring it every now and then, just to, I don't know, I guess because I just like poking at it. But the chicken is falling apart. So I'm gonna break up this chicken. I think I'm gonna use this tool. I use this tool a lot to break up chicken, or for ground beef, breaking up ground beef, all that good stuff. It's really perfect for doing that sort of stuff. So you don't have to take it out and shred it on a plate or something. I really recommend this tool. It's definitely helpful. So yeah, this chicken is just falling apart. And I just got back. I had to go take my sister-in-law to Starbucks. So I just got back. And I'm going to make the noodles now after I break up this chicken. You don't really want to cook them in. You can cook them in here, but it's just going to soak up all of that nice broth you have. So I'm going to cook them until they're like al dente, and then throw them in so then they won't get too mushy, and then they'll still be able to just soak up a little bit more moisture. So I'm about to throw these in. This is the extra raw, no yolk egg noodles. I always get this brand. They seem like the best. This is about to be boiling. What I did was I made this into like a chicken broth. I just put in some of that powdered chicken base. So it'll soak up the water and it'll be like, it'll taste like more like a chicken flavor in the noodle. So I'm going to be throwing those in soon. Maggie Milk. And Avea wants to say hello. I took her just to go get Starbucks, just for her. So this is the finished product. I got the noodles in there, and Avea is gonna do a taste test. What do you think, Avea?
That's really good.
You like it?
It's really good.
Those tomatoes, they give it really good flavor. I definitely recommend adding the tomatoes. It's not traditional chicken noodle soup, but it's good and tasty, and everyone likes it. Whenever I make this, my husband, he really loves when I make this chicken noodle soup. So I hope you guys give it a try, and I'll see you in my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.